Chairman and Survey Server of this conference, Dr. Nischal Bhatt, to please come on the dais and please sit on the chair. I requesting our Vice President, Dr. Ramesh Bajania sir, to please come on the stage. And it's now time to come on the stage our organizing secretaries, Dr. Manish Mehta, Dr. Kiran Bhai, uh, our convener, તમે છો, Dr. Chetan Trivedi, to come on the stage. And President AOP Ahmedabad, Mitul Bhai, Sushma Madam is on the way. So remaining all, please sit just in front of the row, because all you are the very important, because you are remaining present in this valedictory also. So please be seated for just while, for at least giving the good thank giving to each and everyone. We will not handling the all session. Right. Madam, thanks a lot, madam, for the staying few minutes. So let's start. I requesting our organizing chairman. Let's start with you, and then our chairperson of the AHA, Nischal Bhai. So let's start with our chairperson, madam, please.
How fast the day, 2 days have ended. 3 days. Good evening, all of you, respected seniors and colleagues. Today, it's like, we have made history. I think history of Gujarat and history of AHA. To have organized such a wonderful conference here. And as a chair of Adolescent Health Academy, I express my deep gratitude to the whole of organizing team. The vibrant Gujarat, it was so vibrant, we could see that in the last 3 days. Everything was superb. I think I would like to take the names of each one of the organizing committee members. But with 3 of them, we were continuously, I was in touch. Dr. Sushma Desai, who is not only the organizing chair, but also the chairperson-elect. So it was a double bonanza for me. She was a chairperson-elect. Yeah, right time, Dr. Sushma ji, we welcome you on stage. So she was my colleague in the executive board, and like a sister, she was always with me. And ably supported by one more EB member from my executive board of Central AHA, Dr. Samir Shah, and Dr. Nischal Bhatt. And he was a past EB in the last year, but then he was continuously supporting all our, especially the parent training. Somehow I got connected to all the Gujarat team. So these 3 personalities were continuously in touch with us. So it's just we may take all these 3 names, but I'm sure I came for one of the meetings. I came from Hyderabad. I joined them in one of the organizing committee meetings. I saw, all of us can sit or, okay.
Yeah, that's what I was
No, I think you all can, it's up to you, up to you. No, I will stand. Okay, let's continue, okay. So, when I came down to Gujarat in Ahmedabad to see the venue, in fact, I was very curious to know कि ये conference of this year, जो हमारा conference है 2025, कहाँ होने वाला है, तो कैसे होगा, क्या है, तो to get the first hand, जब मैं आई थी, तो I saw that इतना अच्छा यही Crown Plaza में हम आए थे, और I was so confident कि सब कुछ इतना अच्छा, वो भी 7-star, I think a round of applause to them, 7-star hotel में. Organizing a conference like, especially in adolescent health issues, it's so difficult to get funds, because all of us experience that. And in spite of that, Gujarat being so vibrant, each one of them have put their best to get the funds, supporting from pharma and maybe organizations, UNICEF, etc. And they could do this, a huge budget they could have generated, and they have made us all so comfortable. A 5-star experience in AHA. And that too a silver jubilee year. I think kudos to all of them, Dr. Nischal Bhatt, Sushma ji, and of course, yeah, एक मिनट आप बात कर लें. I think before Dr. Geeta wants to leave,
I'm
so I
just
request
leaving
her.
because my flight is there. I think it is a time to thank the organizing team. I think led by Dr. Sushma Desai, who played a double role, Chief Organizing Chairperson with Dr. Nischal Bhatt and Chairperson-elect. And our tech savvy, our EB of AHA, and my dear friend Dr. Samir Shah. And all three of them with Dr. Ramesh Bajania sir, Yogesh Parikh sir, Chetan Trivedi, and all whole team. I may not be able to take the name. And I thank Dr. Himabindu madam for motivating them, encouraging them, and every now and then supervising the thing. So I think it was a good experience, definitely 5-star experience with a good hospitality, correct blend of academics, hospitality, good food, and highlight is yesterday's Garba. So we all enjoyed Garba because we were not aware that Garba is such a way it is played. We have seen somewhere, but not very this thing. And I am very sure this is the Silver Jubilee year of Adolescent Health Academy showed that adolescent health requires a lot of importance to be given on all the levels, in all the chapters in the adolescent health. And I am very sure all the faculty came from all over the country, very, very carefully selected the topics and very good taglines, courtesy Dr. Samir Shah. Some of them were confused with the titles. So, including me. So thank you very much everyone. Scientific committee has worked very hard, and once again big thanks to the organizing team. As an immediate chairperson, this is our tradition that we have to continue our conference. Next year it is in Jaipur, and very rightly selected the time. Dr. Swati Ghate madam is there, scientific committee chairperson. Show goes on. And show will start by Jaipur. Early bird registration is open. I think everywhere they are shared. And I am very sure most of you will be motivated to come to Jaipur, and you will bring your colleagues, friends. Thank you very much for giving me opportunity. Himabindu madam and Sushma Desai and Ramesh Bajania sir, please excuse me, I am leaving. Thank you. Thank you, Samir.
Thank you.
Yeah. On behalf of the Central Adolescent Health Academy, myself the chair of the chapter this year, 2025, I join my other colleagues in giving and expressing our gratitude for hosting the conference, our national conference here at Ahmedabad. On behalf of Dr. Prakash Viraria, Secretary, Dr. Shamik Ghosh, Joint Secretary, Sneha Gadkar, Treasurer of AHA, we would like to thank all the Gujarat team headed by our Dr. Chairperson, Dr. Nischal Bhatt, Dr. Sushma Desai, Dr. Honorary Secretary, Dr. Samir Shah, Monish Shah, Premal Shah, and the executive and other AHA members from Gujarat, Dr. Bakulesh Chauhanji, Dr. Kanish Singh, Dr. Shilpa Toshniwal, Dr. Prashant Karia, Dr. Snehal Shirovala, Dr. Neema Sitapara, Dr. Chiragi Shah, and of course, our Central IP leadership also had come yesterday and blessed us. And the Gujarat OAP, Academy of Pediatrics of Gujarat, office bearers, Dr. Jagdish Kamarji, if he's here, we thank him. Dr. Jankhana Sangavi, Dr. Tushar Shah, Tusharji, we place our gratitude. And doctors, of course, Samir Shah and Krunal Shahji. Krunal Shah is here?
No.
No. Okay. Then from Ahmedabad, it was a very good teamwork. Not just the AHA of Gujarat, the Academy of Pediatrics of both Gujarat and the Ahmedabad branch have merged together to form an excellent team with good dynamics and total trust on 3 or 4 people who are taking most of the decisions. I'm sure the whole team was behind them. Dr. Mitul Jasani, Dr. Unmesh Upadhyay. Umesh, thank you so much. We were seeing you to, you were taking care of each one of us. Thank you so much. You were there right at the receiving. Really thank a lot. I'm sure all of our members who came here will remember you, sir. Dr. Angelika. Thank you, dear Dr. Angelika, to be part of this team. Dr. Amruta Thakkar, if there are... Acha, please, yeah. They have done excellent. The MOCs of both the, halls. It's not easy, from morning to night, evening tak. मतलब उनका ख्याल रखना, coordinate करना, speakers, CVs, timing, and to conduct this, it is really tough job. All of you have done just excellent. I think the team, the leaders have chosen the right people at the right place. Huge round of applause to those who have worked so hard. And yeah, we have lot of
Madam,
names.
can we felicitate the MOC just now when you are speaking
Yeah,
the name?
yeah.
So let's, Manish bhai, they will come very soon. We will felicitate. They will come very soon. We are already coordinated. Yeah, who is the available? Let, jeta અહીંયા કર.
Yeah, as long as we take the names.
We'll start with, in alphabetical order, Dr. Alpa Jasani. She is wife of our president, ma'am, Dr. Mitul Jasani.
Hello.
Dr. Snehal Patel, I think she has left. Dr. Urvashi Rana.
Sushma madam, just take it.
Dr. Sonita Trivedi. Dr. Sujal Dave, I think he has left. Dr. Neha Jobanputra. Dr. Krishna Vihol, she is not there. Dr. Darshak Makadia, he is also left. Dr. Hitesh Parmar. Dr. Sunil Patel. Dr. Curie, I think she is not there. Dr. Ashutosh. Okay. Dr. Hardik Shah. Dr. Manil Shah. He is a silent worker, ma'am. Dr. Nirali Mehta. She is not there. Dr. Vishakha Sharma. Dr. Amruta Thakkar. Dr. Kairavi. Dr. Bhupendra Kapadia. Last but not least, Dr. Snehal Shirolawala.
Yes, Swati madam, please come up. It's really our pleasure that madam, you are still saying the valedictorian. It's a really a great
And-
honor for us.
Lastly, the coordinator of MOC team, Dr. Angelika Mehta.
Yes, yes. It's an excellent coordination. Yeah.
I think I'll be saying whatever is in everybody's mind, that you all have been a wonderful organizing team and it was so meticulously planned, and your quiet dignity, Samir and Nishcha's organizing capacity is near of everybody. And I think in every front, whether it was academic, whether it was cultural, social, hospitality, it was a wonderful conference, and I think you befitted the Silver Jubilee Conference of Adelscon, and we really thank all of you, Benjamia, all of you from the bottom of our heart.
And one more person from AV team, Dr. Vaibhav Patel.
Vaibhav, please. They are the really forefront face of this conference, and silently but not loudly we can say they have really completed their task in such a way that we have a flawless, excellent session in both these things. आप પછી હજુ ઘણા બધા છે પૂરા લેવાના. Now it's really a time to felicitate one of the very hidden person who has you just heard with the phone only, and that is the Dr. Bhavik. Please come on forward, because he and Dr. Jigen, they had coordinated in such a way that it's a really excellent, totally.
Almost she has never slept for last 4 days. રાત્રે 1:30 વાગે મેસેજ, 2:30 વાગે મેસેજ, 3 વાગે મેસેજ. He was continuously tracking with Dr. Jigen Shah. પ્રોપર પિકઅપ થયું છે કે નહીં, ફોટો કેમ નથી આવ્યો, ડ્રોપ થયું છે કે નહીં, અને he was continuously Dr. Bhavik and Dr. Jigen. Amazing work, amazing work. Yeah.
कि जो भी उनको देखते था ऑटोमेटिकली द एनर्जी वाज इंक्रीजिंग. एक्सेलेंट. एक जिगन भाई.
No doubt we have many hidden talents and hidden person who are really working hard. We will definitely ask them to speak about the thing, but at presently we will continue about the taking the thank you messages from the all of the who are on this stage, and then we can definitely continue forward the all the memento giving. At presently now we are announcing the our result of the PG oral paper and e-poster, and for that I inviting the our both the chairperson be ready with the Swati madam to give them memento with this prize. Leela madam ready? First is the oral paper. The PG oral paper, second prize goes to the Kritika Sekar from Chennai. Second prize. Is it second prize? Second prize, okay. And first prize goes to the Amendra Arjun. Very difficult name to speak here. Sorry. Yeah. Right. For the e-posters, second prize goes to the Abhiram Prasad from Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad. And first prize goes to the Forum Vasawa. Is it there? Right. Forum is not there.
Right.
So now it's now time to speak from let's speak about the thing, and then we can take the messages from our own downstairs people also. Madam, please.
Just saying that I'm so blessed and God really blessed me that this conference was given to Gujarat and it was my tenure. I'm really, with humility, I'm saying that I'm really humbled by the affection and so much of nice arrangement. This Silva Adolskar was so successfully conducted by the team. Hip hip hooray to Dr. Sushma Desai, my chairperson elect, and Dr. Nischal Bhatt, डॉक्टर समीर शाह, डॉक्टर बजानिया सर, आपके वेस्ट जोन में इतना अच्छा कॉन्फ्रेंस, और अपने मनीष मेहता, डॉक्टर बितुल एंड डॉक्टर चेतन भाई, and we have many more. There's such a list, and Angelika, many members have done so much work. Nehal, all the EP members of Gujarat, and the office bearers of both the state and the Ahmedabad branch. All of you, I'm actually having a little voice issue. Do not mind. Each one of you are really with heartfelt gratitude to each one of you. Thank you so much. You have some chits here, Samir? Yeah. So there's, as I said, 5-star experience, and there was nasha without alcohol. That's what I liked it. You know, I told them, and always we used to think, क्या I got when गुजरात को दिया गया, मैंने सुषमा जी कैसे मैनेज करोगी यार, वहाँ तो हमारे लोगों को क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं वो सब, तो बोली नहीं हो जाएगा and then I said क्या नहीं मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला हो जाएगा, मैंने बोला नहीं होगा, मतलब नहीं she said कि special, no she just said कि हाँ नहीं but उसका मतलब हमको कल समझ में आया. So she said कि कुछ तो arrangement something. I said anyway I didn't talk much, but okay. But it was nice that we had so much of enjoyment yesterday. Whole day we had so much wonderful academics, and we had great 2 orators, Dr. Amdekar sir coming in and Dr. Indrasekhar Rao today. We have to remember all those people, and Dr. Swati Bhave madam, our living legend. She is with us. You know, we are so fortunate. Many times she excuses herself. And even in the webinars, we have to really request her, madam, please, 2 minute chehra dikha dijiye. But idhar aa gayi hai, madam, physical matlab, you know, we're all blessed to see her, madam, and she's, madam, really. We're all blessed, and we should not lose an opportunity to really meet her. She's such a source of inspiration. And we had such, apart from these orations, we had Yuva, that quiz, how it was conducted. I went, because this involving youth and engaging youth, I just started, it came up to that level. I mean, this Dr. Samir Shah और प्रशांत करिया हमारे IT wizards हैं, IAP के HA के दोनों के, और वो इतना अच्छा सा conduct किया. They were such beautiful. I mean, the youth spoke so well, and then after that the quiz was wonderful. I mean, it was like, you know, I think young pediatricians were also enjoying with Uyamma songs and all that. I thought this was a new way of engaging everybody, not just the youth. So I think that was excellent. And we had postgraduates, everybody sharing their expertise and research, and faculties, 160 of them had come down to Ahmedabad, and from all parts of the country. Still we were not able to accommodate many. Itne sare state branches hai, itne sare youngsters want to come up. So many people are showing interest in academy. Wonderful. The food was very simple but excellent. And एक ही साथ एक ही घर में सब कुछ है. No traveling, idhar hi accommodation hai, idhar hi apna space hai. It was highly comfortable. Thank you, Dr. Nischal. Again, all the 3 of them who worked very hard. And it was 2 days, it was for me a me time, I really relaxed. And thank you, I was really running around, but they tell you have to sit here. I also mentally got prepared. Thank you so much. I will never forget Gujarat in my lifetime.
Thank you, madam. And now it's
Thank you
time
so
to
much.
our organizing chairman and the backbone of all the science, and that is Dr. Sushma Desai, ma'am.
I will be completely informal. Can I?
Yes, sir.
So, first expression which comes to me is hush. And the second comes to me is yay. So, let us do it together. Yay! So, we have done it. Together we have done it. And I'm so very proud of my dear team. I cannot express my feelings in words. I am blessed. I'm really, really blessed to have all of you. Without you, nothing would have been possible. My very beloved and dear Dr. Nishchal Bhai, Dr. Samir Bhai, I cannot express my feelings to them. I'm really going to miss the core 3 communication from tomorrow onwards. And Nishchal Bhai is very typical, thai jashe. And Samir Bhai is, Madam, aa karvanu che. So I am kind of missing, I'm really going to miss all this. It was so much big an opportunity for me to meet all my dear Gujarat team people. You know, I was a bit, I think, missing it sometimes. I never met all these persons so loving, so warm, so you can say affectionately supportive. That, you know, once spoken, the work was done. And it was an amazing opportunity, lifetime memories for me to meet all these my own people. And I feel it was so much belonging and so much care, support, warmth, and affection. I'm really, really short of my words. You understand my feelings. Otherwise, also, I am a bit foggy right now, but I could not resist to just express my, feelings to all of you. Kiran Bhai, for one, very, very cheerful person. And I always used to get some new energy from him. Dr. Manish Bhai, very composed person and really very supportive. Bajania sir always, Madam, apne sathe chiye. That makes a lot of difference, right? Chetan Bhai, a very rock solid support to us. And Mitul Bhai, a person always to rely on. When we decided to, organize this conference in Ahmedabad, we were so blessed to have Khamar sir as a president of AOP Gujarat and Dr. Mitul Bhai as a president of AOP Ahmedabad. And they were unconditionally, they just, showed their unconditional support. And the values, I don't think it can be expressed in the words. All my dear teammates, Snehal Ben, Jigen Bhai, Bhupendra Bhai, and it was a blast, Chiragi Ben, Angelica Ben, all of them. And just beyond the words. I am really, really blessed once again. Thanks is a very small word. I cannot just express my feelings in the small words like gratitude or thanks. It is much beyond that.
Thank you,
so
thank you,
much.
madam.
God bless
Now
you.
let's hear from our VP of the West Zone. He has just completed the West Zone Pericon, and we are really thinking how this conference will be. And at last, we are in the valedictory function of this Adolescon also. Please, sir.
No, but I was very confident because after working with so many friends in West Zone Pedicon, and that we could do in 38 days only, and I was very sure that we are heading for another vibrant conference. So I was fully confident. Under the guidance of Dr. Hima Bindu ma'am, I would like to give credit to entire team Adolescent Con 25 of Ahmedabad. Samir was again there in West Zone Pedicon, and he has repeatedly shown his organizational skills, academics, service for the academy and administration. Nishchal Bhai, always calm, quiet, starting from Prarthana to Swaminarayan Bhagwan to all positive affirmations. He has infused positive energy every day in the group. And Mitul and Madam, both, they were backbones. Manish was again a West Zone companion, very cool person, always. Sushma ma'am always was like a family head. I mean, she kept everyone together. And there were so many young Turks, starting from Kiran to Bhavik Bhai to Jigen to Chetan Bhai is always there. Of course, whenever anything for them, any obstacles like paisa ni jarur hai to ke Chetan Bhai ne bulao hai. There are so many aspects of him. In fact, please excuse me if I forget a few names, but this conference has shown that given the opportunity, Gujarat can host any big event with warmth, with hospitality, with vibrant activities, and we have repeatedly shown from West Zone Pedicon to this that entire Gujarat is united and one. I wish all the members that they will serve IAP going further forwards, whatever their aspirations are. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. And now it's time for our convener, Dr. Chetan Trivedi, to speak the words.
Thank you, Dr. Samir. This conference is a conference with difference in so many aspects. Because first of all, it is an adolescent conference, right? So itself is a different. Because usually we talk about vaccines and infectious disease, respiratory, but this is adolescent, this specific subject. Secondly, it is different because one man who can do this is, I really don't take any shy, I'm taking his name, Dr. Nishchal Bhatt. He is a person like Sushma Ben. You are lucky and fortunate to have a person like Nishchal at Helms of Affairs. With his only one word that he is, because we know that he is adolescent practice, he is doing a maximum that practice. If he says there is a conference, then the whole team is ready without anything. So that's what the word from Nishchal matters a lot. So that is a difference. Third difference is, you can see that now this is absolutely people who are here or those who are working, absolutely non-political people. You see Baroda people are sitting here, Surat people are sitting, Rajkot people sitting, and Ahmedabad people. Hardly you can distinguish between them who is from where, which place. And that's the most important difference. We saw whether it is Nishchal or Samir, it doesn't matter. So that's the biggest difference, I must say. So this is what we are heading towards, and that should be our aim. See, rest of the things leave it for others. Let's enjoy the conference, let's enjoy the organization, and let's enjoy the academics. And once we do it, we'll be really, path changer for our academy. And I think, Hima Bindu ma'am, this is what people at Gujarat should look at us. So this is what we are really making a difference to this conference. Of course, you must have felicitated n number of people, but there are so many people who have really worked silently without expecting anything. And that's the teamwork. So that's why we always say it's a team which is leading. Some face will be there on the stage, but ultimately it's a team, AOP Ahmedabad. I'm proud of it. Of course, now it is AOP Gujarat. So this is the difference, and we are very satisfied and we are very humbled. If at all anything is, we have done something wrong or something, there are shortcomings. We are sorry for that. We apologize with both hands, and we as a team will learn. Next time we'll take care of that. So that's the only thing I can say. And of course, ultimately, this is unity which will take us ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you. And now it's time for our organizing secretary.
એ બે જણ પેલા મારે એમના વિશે કંઈક બોલવું પડે. મનીષભાઈ is always one phone call away. He has done amazing work. I'll speak afterwards, but let them speak first.
First Manish bhai, then Kiran bhai.
આમ તો ચેતનભાઈએ બધું કહી જ દીધું, કવર કરી દીધું. પણ ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આઈ લાઈક ટુ થેન્ક ડૉક્ટર હિમા બિંદુ મેમ એન્ડ સેન્ટ્રલ આહા ફોર ગિવિંગ અસ ધીસ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી ટુ AOP Gujarat, AOP Ahmedabad and AHA Gujarat to host this conference, such a big national level conference we have hosted this time with such an ease because of their support only. They are all big pillars, but pillars cannot they are all big towers, but towers cannot stand without pillars. So you are all the pillars. Otherwise, it's not possible. So I cannot name individually anybody, but I have seen people have responded like anything, whether it is MOC team, AV team, transport team, accommodation team. All of them have done their part in a best way. And special thanks to Baroda team, who has been always there with us. Dr. Jigen especially and Dr. Bhupendra. Like, we have not felt they are from Baroda. They were with Ahmedabad all the time during organization of this conference. Thank you very much. Thank you.
ડૉક્ટર નિશ્ચલ ભટ્ટ, ડૉક્ટર સમીરભાઈ, ડૉક્ટર સુષ્માબેન માટે બોલવાનું છે. They are highly infectious. I'm talking in terms of preciseness, planning and execution. ઘણી બધી જવાબદારી આપી હતી અને આઈ એમ થેન્કફુલ ટુ ધેમ કે ક્રિએટિવિટી યુઝ કરવાની ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી આપી. We tried and experimented in KIT, in Maharti, in Dandiya, in Kotis.
કિરણભાઈ જે બોલી રહ્યા છે બધું એમણે એકલે હાથે કરેલું છે હા
પણ the best thing about that was I was given free hand. તમને જે યોગ્ય લાગે એ કરો. I was just needing their approval and without hesitation, tendency they gave me the liberty. And Manish bhai mentioned કર્યું એમ the young people are also infectious. બરોડાની ટીમ, અમદાવાદની ટીમ પાસેથી એનર્જી લઈ અને કામ કરતો હતો. એટલે આઈ એમ થેન્કફુલ ટુ માય સિનિયર્સ, માય કલીગ્સ, બરોડા, અમદાવાદ, એવરીવન, and not to forget the Crown Plaza team, the event management team. They were the backbone. That's why I could succeed it. Thank you.
And
Rather, we could succeed it.
બધા ડેલિગેટ્સે જે એપ્રિશિએટ કર્યું છે ને એ બધી જ વસ્તુ કિરણભાઈનો હાથ છે. કીટ કમ્પ્લીટલી 100% કિરણભાઈ મેનેજ કરી. ગઈકાલની મહાઆરતી, કમ્પ્લીટ ગરબા, ધ ટ્રૂપ વોઝ ક્રિએટેડ બાય કિરણભાઈ. All the mementos was created by Kiranbhai. So amazing work. It was really Safa, the sash which was given, the broche which was given to all of us. So amazing work. ખાલી કહેવું પડે થઈ જાય.
Thank you. And one more person behind all these things is Dr. Mitul Jasani,
Yes,
Chair,
absolutely.
President of the AOP Ahmedabad. Without his permission, this possible. It is not at all possible. This
Absolutely not
conference. So
possible.
please, sir.
I'm at the most bottom level right now. The people who talked in front till now, they have groomed me. Whatever am I present, it's all because of them only. They have already thanked everyone. And if we go with the numbers, almost 150 people have worked hard day and night over a period of last 1 year, whether it's planning till final conclusion, day and night to reach to this level. And I express my sincerest gratitude to all of them. Firstly, Dr. Himabindu Madam, Dr. Sushma Ma'am, for giving the opportunity to organize this event over here. Dr. Nishchal Sahib and Dr. Samir Sahib for bringing this event over here. Dr. Chetan Sahib being a convener, Dr. Manish Mehta Sahib, Dr. Kiran Shah Sahib being a secretary. No, Nishchal Sahib, Samir Sahib, Kiran Sahib, Manish Sahib and Chetan Sahib. લગભગ છેલ્લા 1 વર્ષમાં પ્રોબ્લી મેડમે ફોન નહીં કર્યા હોય ને મેં એટલા કર્યા હશે કમ્બાઈન કરું ને તો બધાને ક્યાંક ને ક્યાંક હેરાન કરવા માટે બટ I needed their guidance many of the times. That's why I have to call them. Obviously, same thing goes. કેમ કે મેં તો મનીષ સાહેબને પણ એટલા જ ફોન કર્યા છે અને એન્જલિકા બેનને પણ એટલા જ ફોન કર્યા છે. She being the secretary of AOP Ahmedabad. Then Amruta is here.
Yeah, she is there.
They just came.
Acha.
Just,
She
I
went- See, this is the dedication level of our treasurer Ahmedabad કે એને હજી જમ્યું નહોતું. She has just finished and she has just went for the lunch. So then Dr. Vaibhav Bhai, thank you so much. Dr. Hardik, he is our EB. He is not there, but he is also active. Dr. Bhavik Bhai નો તો જેટલા વખાણ કરું શાષ્ટાંગ દંડવત પ્રભુ તમને શાષ્ટાંગ દંડવત because that man has taken traveling like મારે આટલા વાગે ગાડી જોઈએ છે મારે આટલા વાગે જઈએ છે and day and night trust me picking up 200 people from 3 different places whether it's airport, railway station, bus stand and everybody will be putting lots and lots of મારે આમ થઈને આવવું છે મારે આમ ફરીને જવું છે It's really, really big thing to do. He managed it all single-handedly. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Then in accommodation also, Bhavik played a great role. Unmesh bhai, Dipesh bhai, Nirav Patel. Then when it comes to, we should not forget our pharma partners and all. They have sponsored us, such as MSD, Takeda, UNICEF, Winhill, Sanofi, BE, and many more. It's because of their support the event has been successfully created. The RX event have become like a backbone for this whole event. They were also there throughout the planning time. And last and not the least, Crown Plaza for providing such a good venue and for great hospitality. And I express my apologies if I have anywhere we have went wrong, but we'll try to do as best as possible in the next coming event. Thank you.
I was shocked while speaking about Manish bhai and Kiran bhai. Manish bhai was just a phone call away. કંઈ પણ નાની વસ્તુ હોય ને, હા સર થઈ જશે, નિશલભાઈ થઈ જશે, હા ચલો ક્યારે મળવું છે, કેટલા વાગે મળવું છે, ક્યાં જવું છે. They were always there. So thank you so much Manish bhai and thank you Kiran bhai.
I just wanted to add name of Dr. Hitesh Bhai. દરેક મેમેન્ટોનું પ્રૂફ રીડિંગ એણે કર્યું છે, ડિઝાઇનિંગ મેં કર્યું છે પણ. So he made sure કે ક્યાંય કોઈની નામમાં સરનેમમાં સ્પેલિંગમાં ક્યાંય મિસ્ટેક ના થાય. Thank you Hitesh Bhai.
Thank you.
And I also forgot the name of Sunil Patel and Manil.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Audio visual was taken care of by them. Amazing. Manil, Sunil bhai, Vaibhav bhai and everyone really worked very hard.
Now it's time to felicitate the remaining MOCs who has just came to name of Dr. Amruta Thakkar. Dr. Sujal.
આને જ આપણી ઇવેન્ટ કહેવાય વેલિડેક્ટરી એટલે.
Dr. Hitesh.
એમને મોમેન્ટો મળે ત્યાં સુધી હું મિતુલભાઈ વિશે વાત કરીશ. હી ટુક કેર ઓફ ફાઇનાન્સ સો વેલ. આપણને બધાને ખ્યાલ છે કે pharma and other supporters don't give money before conference, and every place we had to pay in advance completely to the hotel people, to the other vendors, those who have created. Manish bhai, Mitul bhai and Chetan bhai, they have created something amazing thing that we could pay the full amount beforehand to everyone. મારે ખાલી મિતુલભાઈને મેસેજ કરવાનો હોય કે આટલી અમાઉન્ટ પે કરવાની છે અને he will manage it within 24 hours. So that was amazing.
Actually, coincidentally or by grace of God, whatever you say, it was beyond imagination. I mean, it was not pre-decided at least. It was what you can say is a union of three different people, entirely different personalities and perspectives. Me, Samir bhai and Nishal bhai, we call it Core 3. I don't know how that happened, but it happened so successfully and the thing were going so smoothly. Just a word from any one of us and it will go without saying anything to rest of the two. Samir bhai, best in the administration, beyond words, beyond imagination. Very meticulous. Nishchal bhai, cool, composed, and extremely meticulous. He was the person who was cooling down both of us. And he was best as managing people, you know. I cannot imagine how did he manage finance. So it is beyond my imagination. And of course, I was on science side and I was very much kind of, પહેલા જ વખતે મેં એવું કહેલું, Okay, I'm relaxed. Why? Because I have one Ahmedabadi and another Vania. So I don't have to worry about. So that was a wonderful combination, I can say.
Thank you.
Thank you, madam. So now it's time to speak from.
Samir.
Yeah, yeah.
Really, I endorse this three combination, which I used to commonly communicate with this three, and it was like, really rightly said, she was the one who was balancing both, and one was a carrot, another was a stick, and I was towards this side, that side, but we had a nice time together. Really kudos to three of them who were actually I think they were taking most of it. A round of applause to all of the three of them. Thank you.
Before we go ahead, we have two judges from the paper presentation. I am thanking Dr. Charul Mehta and Dr. Indraben Parmar for being on time both the days. We know that it is difficult to judge this because they were amazing papers, but thank you so much for giving your time. There were few more judges were there, but thank you so much for your time and dedication.
Extremely well managed sessions, and we had never invested a single minute in them. કરી લેશે
કરી લેશે,
એટલું
exact.
સરસ કર્યું કે જોવાનું કઈ રહ્યું જ નહીં. So
Lata, Dr. Lata Jha,
Yeah,
Dr.
Dr.
Ekta
Lata
Dalal, Dr. Anuya
and all
Chauhan,
of them.
all were so
All were
meticulous.
so good, so good.
Dr. Prashant Modi,
Most important
All of
thing,
them.
most important thing, they have to face the vacant hall along with the PG students, and
PG
it's
students.
really excellent thing, and they have
Excellent
timely
job.
completed their own
Excellent.
timing. It's a
Both the
really
days,
excellent thing,
both
and
the
thanks a
days.
lot to them, because if they had not completed their timely complete, we can not able to start
Absolutely.
our sessions at all. So thanks a lot, madam, and they are really completed.
They have done a
Big hand.
fantastic job. એક મિનિટ પણ મોડા નથી પડ્યા આ લોકો.
બેઉ દિવસ.
એક દિવસ નહીં. અને I would extend my special thanks on
બોલાવો.
behalf of
બોલાવો,
all
બોલાવો,
three of
બોલાવો.
us too.
બોલાવો.
વિજયભાઈ.
બોલાવે છે, બોલાવે છે.
Now it's important thing that all science definitely made many things, but under the leadership of the Sushma Desai madam, but our scientific committee chairman who is given a free hand to her with the just simple few things. So I requesting him to come forward and sir, please speak something.
Dr. Vijay from Surat.
So nice to be a part of this wonderful conference. Sushma Ben, hats off to you. You are really a backbone for everything. Nishchal bhai and Samir bhai atla બધા busy. He's working with so many different organizations. But જ્યારે બી મેં ફોન કર્યો છે કશાક પણ કામ હોય, he has immediately responded. So they are always ready. Conference was a real success, and thank you very much. Coming from the medical college, it was really great to be a scientific committee chairman. Thank you very much.
Thank you
so
sir.
much.
Please, sir,
અને
sit on
જે
the dais only.
વિજયભાઈએ કીધું ને એ ખરેખર બહુ સાચી વસ્તુ છે કે જે માણસ ખરેખર બિઝી હોય છે ને એની પાસે ટાઈમ હોય છે, કારણ કે એ પ્લાન્ડ વર્ક કરતો હોય છે, અને જે નવરો હોય છે ને એ બિઝી કરીને ટાઈમ જ બગાડતો હોય છે, બીજું કંઈ જ નહીં. સમીરભાઈ એનું એક ઉદાહરણ છે. He is working with not less than 10 organizations at present simultaneously. He is managing so many websites, so many things. મને એક્સપિરિયન્સ છે આહા પેરેન્ટિંગનો વર્કશોપ જે થયો ને, કમ્પ્લીટ ટેકનોલોજી વોઝ હેન્ડલ બાય હિમ, અને બધા મોંમાં આંગળા નાખી ગયા હતા કે આવી રીતે ઓનલાઈન વર્કશોપ કેવી રીતે થઈ શકે. ઇટ વોઝ ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ ઇન ધ હિસ્ટ્રી ઓફ આહા 5 days twice in a week, all paid workshop was organized for 90 minutes, and it was fully participated by all participants, and they are still asking for PPTs and videos and everything. We will definitely soon, after becoming free from this conference, we will share it with the participants, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, madam. Yes, sir. That was so difficult to manage. I mean, if I am in her place, probably I lose my cool, at least. I may not say temper, but the cool, at least 1,000 times a day. He never does that. And he is so very ready. 11:30 રાતના 12 વાગે પણ કોલ કરી લે તો સમીરભાઈ ફ્રેશ વાત કરવા તૈયાર. અને exactly, he knows all the protocols and he is very, very thorough in ethics. So we don't have to look into anything, you know, just rely on Samir bhai and does it. કોઈ પણ કોલ કાંઈ પણ આવે સમીરભાઈને પૂછી લેજો ની. That was, I think, the reply from both of us, me and Nishchal bhai, right?
Yeah,
Nishchal bhai?
absolutely.
And beyond words, and
અને મને યાદ છે સમીરભાઈ, જીગેન, ભાવિક, નીરવ, ઉન્મેશ, અમે અને આરએક્સ ઇવેન્ટ્સ રાત્રે 12:30-1 વાગ્યા સુધી 3 કલાક કન્ટિન્યુઅસ કોણ ફેકલ્ટી ક્યારે આવવાની છે, ક્યારે જવાની છે, એનું પિકઅપ ડ્રોપ કેવી રીતે થશે, કોને કયા રૂમમાં મૂકવાનું છે, એનું બધું એટલું પરમ્યુટેશન અને એવરીથિંગ વોઝ હી વોઝ ડુઈંગ ઓનલાઈન લાઈવ ઓન કમ્પ્યુટર કે આને આમાં મૂકી દઈએ, આને આમાં મૂકી દઈએ, and it was really worked very fantastically well for us. Thank you, Samirભાઈ.
Thank you, thank you. You can continue, you are on the podium. It's your
I
time to
only
speak
have
now.
Lucky draw. एक minute. Before we go for lucky draw, biggest attraction of last night of Kotis to all the faculties and organizing committee was by Dr. Angelica Mehta.
Great.
Big round of applause. He was the one who suggested Kotis to everyone.
Hello.
Yeah.
So from the day we maybe around 13-14 months back સુષ્માબેનનો એમ જ ફોન આવ્યો કે આપણે અમદાવાદમાં એડલ્ટ્સકોન કરવી છે એમ. અને મેં કીધું હે મેડમ શું કહો છો તમે એમ. અને એ વખતે શું હતું કે સિટી બ્રાન્ચીસ વેર ડિઝોલ્વિંગ, સ્ટેટ બ્રાન્ચ બનાવવાની હતી, બનાવી દીધી હતી. ઇટ વોઝ મલ્ટી સિટી ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન ફોર ધી ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ ફોર અ નેશનલ કોન્ફરન્સ. અમદાવાદ, વડોદરા, સુરત, રાજકોટ અને નોર્થ એ બધા ભેગા થઈને આને એક ટીમ બનાવીને કરવાના હતા. પણ આઈ વોઝ વેરી હેપી, ચલો 25th સિલ્વર જ્યુબિલી છે, લેટ અસ ટ્રાય ફોર ઇટ. સો વી ડીડ ધ બીડ એન્ડ લાસ્ટ નાસિક conference we won the bid and we got this EdulesCon. And my first sentence to Dr. Himabindu ma'am was, ma'am આપ શાંતિ રાખજો, અમે બહુ સરસ કરીશું ને તમને મજા આવશે કોન્ફરન્સમાં. That was my sentence to her. Ma'am, you continue as a chairperson, create your work across the India. Conference, we will do it 100% best to our the capacity. And thank you so much, Central AHA, for putting the confidence to us, and we could do it too much. I have already spoken a lot about Samir Bhai, Kiran Bhai, Manish Bhai, as well as the other organizing team. But Sushma Ben was real backbone. અમને બંનેને જોડી રાખીને એટલું સરસ વચ્ચેથી કામ લીધેલું છે કે વાત ના પૂછો એમ. એકદમ કૂલ, કમ્પોઝડ, કામ. સાયન્સ જે તૈયાર થયું છે ને, તમે એ સાયન્ટિફિક કન્ટેન્ટ તમને મળશે ને ત્યારે તમે જોજો કે અમેઝિંગ સાયન્સ છે. I know આપણે બધા ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનમાં હતા એટલે we could not actually 100% see what science was, but science was done amazingly. Every session she has created a Zoom meeting to interact with each and every faculty, what she is expecting in this and what should come out from each and every one. And you can see there has been so many sessions. બધાની સાથે Zoom meeting, workshop, all 5 workshops were given to every zone. દરેકને ફ્રી હેન્ડ, તમે તમારી રીતે ફેકલ્ટી નક્કી કરો, તમારી રીતે સેશન્સ નક્કી કરો. શી વિલ જોઈન ધી ઝૂમ મિટિંગ એન્ડ બધાની સાથે ઇન્ટરેક્ટ કરીને આખું પાવરફુલી દેટ વોઝ ક્રિએટેડ. એન્ડ શી હેઝ રિયલી વર્કડ વેરી હાર્ડ ટુ મેક ધીસ હેપન. ક્યાંક અટકતું હોય તો શી વિલ પુશ સમવન, બીજે ક્યાંક અટકતું હોય તો શી વિલ પુશ સમવન. બટ વી હેવ લર્ન્ડ અ લોટ ફ્રોમ ડૉક્ટર સુષ્મા દેસાઈ મેમ. એન્ડ આપણા બધાની એ ફરજ છે, શી ઇઝ ગોઈંગ ટુ બી ધી next national chairperson. So let us take this Adolescent Health Academy, which is the most vibrant chapter of Indian Academy of Pediatrics, most number of any chapter, more than 4,000, and she is going to be heading for 2026. So let us give her a big round of applause for that.
પોઝિટિવ જે પોઝિટિવિટી ઇન્ફ્યુઝ કરવાની આપણામાં, ધ થિંગ યુ નો વિઝ્યુઅલાઇઝ કરો, વિઝનને સક્સેસફુલ બનાવવા માટે યુ નો બમણા જોરથી કામ કરો. એ જે વિઝ્યુઅલાઇઝેશન હતું ને એ નિશ્ચલભાઈએ કરાયું અમને. અને એટલું રેગ્યુલરલી અમે ત્રણ પણ બહુ જ નિશ્ચલભાઈ અમને મેડિટેટ કરાવતા હતા અને વી યુઝ ટુ વિઝ્યુઅલાઇઝ કે કોન્ફરન્સ આવી થશે, આમ થશે અને આજે અને વેલિડિક્ટરી વખતે આપણે બહુ ખુશ હોઈશું અને ખરેખર આજે બહુ ખુશ છીએ અમે બધા. યે
એટલે whenever we used to meet even for a phone call in the morning, I'll start with 1 minute meditation. And that affirmations, meditations, health સરસ રહેશે, the weather will be fine, everyone will be happy, farmer support will be there, all agencies, and we can see that all agencies. I would like to mention one name which Dr. Chetan Trivedi. He was always there behind. Okay, at Tari conference, you do it. And he was continuously supporting me. So thank you so much, Dr. Chetan Trivedi. Thank you. Finance ma Dr. Tushar Shah, Dr. Chetan Trivedi, Dr. Chetan B. Shah, everyone was supporting. Even Gujarati Jigen, Vadodarathi Jigen Bhai continuous was supporting. કે ભાઈ આની વાત કરો, આને વાત નથી કરી, ચલો આપણે બધા કરીએ. So it was amazing kind of work. RX events, I must not forget them. હાર્દિક ભાઈ અને ખાસ આ નીલમબેન જે ગોળ ક્યારના ફરે છે છેલ્લા 72 કલાકથી, રિયલી હેડ્સ ઓફ ટુ યુ. અને ધ હોલ ટીમ ઓફ RX ઇવેન્ટ્સ. સ્તુતિ, તમે પહેલાં સેજ જાડાબેનને જોયા હશે, શી હેઝ નોટ સ્લેપ્ટ ફોર 3 nights બિકોઝ આ બધું ફરીથી પાછું ગોઠવવાનું, ફરીથી તૈયાર કરવાનું, ફરીથી અને એની જે પરિસ્થિતિમાં મૂકવું, એ બધું જ એના હાથમાં હતું. તો સ્તુતિ, I think Mahima has just come from that other thing. So Mahima, Rushil Soni was taking care of the registration completely. Joy અને વંશ ને તો આપણે સતત મળતા હોઈએ છીએ, એ લોકો કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી આપણું એનું એ કરતા હોય છે. યોગેશ વોઝ ઓલ્સો પાર્ટ ઓફ ઇટ. સાગર જોશી વોઝ પાર્ટ ઓફ ઇટ. There were so many people that they have really helped us a lot. Thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. And આ બધા નાના નાના સરસ છોકરાઓ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ આપણી સાથે ને સાથે રહ્યા છે to help you. So thank you so much to you. And finally પુનીતભાઈ, તમારી ટીમ ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ એમને મળ્યો ને ત્યારથી એટલા પોઝિટિવ કે સાહેબ બધું થઈ જશે, તમે ચિંતા ના કરશો, ખાલી પેમેન્ટ ટાઈમે કરી દેજો. અને એ પણ એડવાન્સમાં. પણ આઈ મસ્ટ ટેલ યુ, each and every person, અમે લોકોએ આઈ હેવ ક્રિએટેડ વિથ 5 of people, એ લોકોના બધાના જે હેડ્સ છે ને એ લોકોની સાથે 2.5-3 કલાકની એક મિટિંગ કરી હતી. બધા શેફ વોઝ હાજર, રૂમવાળા હાજર, બેન્ક્વેટવાળા હાજર, વેલેવાળા હાજર, સિક્યોરિટીવાળા હાજર, એવરીવન વોઝ ધેર. અને તમને બધાને ફીલ થયું હશે કે આપણા ઇવેન્ટ વખતે they were moving around to ask how was the event, how was everything. So everything was amazingly taken care of. Even stay faculties were very happy, pick up and drop faculties were very happy, banquet arrangement. પરમ ગઈકાલે સવારે બપોરે વરસાદ પડ્યો હતો ત્યારે પણ they were on their toes to clean their water. કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી એ લોકો હરતા ફરતા હતા કે વોટર હટાવી લેવું જોઈએ. બપોરે એવું થયું કે રાત્રે કદાચ ગાલા ડિનર વખતે વરસાદ થશે તો શું થશે, તો સો વી મેટ કે ભાઈ હવે રાતનું ડિનર આપણે ક્યાં કરી શકીએ, ધારો કે અહીં વરસાદ પડ્યો ને નહીં થાય તો. વી ઓલ્સો થોટ દેટ માઇન્યુટ થિંગ્સ, બટ ફાઇનલી 5 વાગ્યા પછી મનીષભાઈએ કીધું કે વરસાદ નહીં પડે અને વરસાદ ના પડ્યો. he told કે 5 વાગ્યા પછી નહીં પડે અને સિરિયસલી ના
અંબાલાનો પીઓપી અમદાવાદ.
So we could do it. We could, અને they were puzzled કે 500 માણસો એક સાથે જમવા આવશે, શું કરશું અમે આટલી નાની જેમ. મેં તમે ચિંતા ના કરશો, 500 નથી આવવાના એક સાથે, એ બધા 100-150 બધું પતી જશે એટલે ચિંતા નહીં થાય. પણ થેન્ક યુ સો મચ પુનીતભાઈ and નારાયણભાઈ, everyone, ઋષિકેશભાઈ, all the team, even twice their GM came to meet me and others that how the things is going on. So thank you so much. Looking forward for a long-term association with Crown Plaza as a AOP Ahmedabad and AOP Gujarat body. Thank you so much.
Now I requesting the one of the sitting front row Ahmedabad team, anyone can please come and express the feeling of the whole team. Please anyone.
કોઈ એક જણ
કોઈ બી એક, તમે બધા એમઓસી ઘણા બધા, કોઈ બી એક જલ્દી ફટાફટ. Yeah. Vadodara team, be ready for that.
See, one thing I have always told, conference કેવી ને શું થાય છે that is a second part. How you have grown before conference and after conference is very, very important. A introspect khas karvanu. I would like either Amruta or Sonita to say this, and Alpa, go ahead with this.
So, certainly, being from AOP Ahmedabad, I have loved the entire conference from the science, which was the backbone. It was amazing science. ઘણા બધાને આપણને આપણું આઈ ઓપનર હતું કે અડોલેસન્ટમાં આ પાર્ટ્સ બી છે. We can work on this, we can work on this. See, with our practice growing, we realize કે પહેલા નિયોનેટ સાથે વધારે કામ કરતા હોય, પછી ટોડલર્સ સાથે વધારે કામ કરતા હોય, અડોલેસન્ટ સાથે હવે આપણે બધાએ વધારે કામ કરવાનું જ છે. That we all know, from vaccination to taking care of their emotional health to much more. This conference did cover a lot of nice topics. Also, that it did cover the medico-legal aspect, which was really eye-opening to us. ગઈકાલનું જે લેક્ચર પોસ્કો એક્ટ પર અને જે MTP એક્ટના ઇન્ટરેક્શન પર હતું, એવા બીજા બી ઘણા બધા લેક્ચર્સ બહુ ફાઇન હતા, but they were really eye-openers. So science definitely was amazing. I really enjoyed the science, and probably I love the academics part, so I might be talking more and over about science, but I really loved the science. The science was amazing. Other than that, definitely the hospitality, the arrangements, everything was very smooth. I am very thankful to Angelica madam. She gave us the opportunity to become the MOC, and of course the entire team, they gave us the opportunity to work. But first, my go-to Sankat Samayni Sakad is Angelica madam, so I'll mention her.
બેલ વાગી ગયો તો.
સાહેબ અમે બહુ વગાડી પણ તો બી અમે બધાને ટોપિક પૂરા કરવા દીધા.
Great.
So I'm just like those speakers, I'll finish and I'll thank everyone. It was a great event. I really enjoyed, with so many seniors to take inspiration from, with my better half being so much inspiring to me. Thank you so much. And all of you all, thanks a ton. It was a real great pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank
Now
you.
Jigen.
Sonita. Acha, Jigen.
પછી એના.
Alpai summarized everything very well, but I want to highlight a few things. Garba party was excellent.
Yes.
So we
પાર્ટી થઈ બી ખરી, that is one of the most important thing.
Thai, and both the experience of Aarti as well was very nice, very spiritual. It was great fun. એટલે ગરબા તો બહુ જ આપણું successful banquet event થયું. Then other than that, of course, we got sensitized about a lot of things about adolescent, the science workshop, everything was very nice, very enlightening. As a mother of a 5-year-old, I will just share this, that I'm terrified. What will I do when he will become a teen? કેમ કે મને આજકાલ series જોઈને અમુક Gen Z ને એમના slang સાંભળીને મને બહુ બીક લાગે છે. That how will I get through to him, how to talk. So I understood a lot of things about counseling, about how to get through to them. Even the youth here, the kids who came here, and I saw their confidence, and it gave me hope. Young generation માટે hope છે. So the science was amazing. Overall, I had a great experience, always a great experience, especially so much of encouragement from all of you, guidance at every point. So thrilled, amazed, and very happy.
Thank you.
And I think they are the most attentive people in the hall.
Absolutely. They are continuously listening because they want to end when it will end. Exactly. Organizers અને બહાર ના આવતા હોય. નેક્સ્ટ ચાલતું હોય મગજમાં.
Jigen.
કોન્ફરન્સના વખાણ તો બધાએ કરી દીધા છે, એટલે મારે કંઈ કહેવાનું નથી, પણ મનીષભાઈ, નિશ્ચલભાઈ, ચેતનભાઈ, કિરણભાઈ અને મિતુલભાઈ તો હવે મોટા ભાઈઓ જેવા છે. અમને અમદાવાદ બરોડા એવું લાગતું જ નથી.
એક્ઝેક્ટલી.
એક બહુ જ મસ્ત વસ્તુ એ હતી કે બધા લોકો વિચારતા હતા કે ઇનોગ્રેશન ક્યારે પૂરું થાય, અમે નાચીએ, અને જેવું ઇનોગ્રેશન પૂરું થયું 500 લોકોએ એકબીજાને અથડાઈને, કૂદીને, મારીને પણ જે ગરબાને એન્જોયમેન્ટ કર્યું છે, એટલે એ બહુ જ સરસ વસ્તુ છે. અને એ સજેસ્ટ કરે છે કે ઓનલી સાયન્સ કોન્ફરન્સનો પાર્ટ નથી, આર્ટ્સ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. એટલે તમે એ પણ ધ્યાનમાં રાખજો.
અને એક મિનિટ,
થેન્ક યુ ઓલ, થેન્ક યુ અમદાવાદ ટીમ, બહુ મજા આવી, વી એન્જોયડ અ લોટ.
અને મેં જે કહું કે આઈ વોઝ ગિવન ફૂલ લિબર્ટીઝ, એનું એક એક્ઝામ્પલ એ હતું કે પેલા મેડમ અહીંયા કાલે માઇક છોડતા નહોતા, એમનો માઇક બંધ કરવા માટેની પરમિશન સુષ્માબેને સમીરભાઈએ મને આપીને તો મેં માઇક બંધ કરાવ્યો. એટલે આ બાણાની ના જવું જોઈએ, બાણાની બહાર ના જવું જોઈએ.
એટલે કિરણભાઈ ગુજરાતીમાં બોલે છે.
From Surat team, I just invite Dr. Indira, madam. Please.
Ma'am, chalo.
I congratulate Sushma and her team.
Hello.
I congratulate Sushma and her team for excellent conference. I am very glad that Sushma has done very good things, and I am proud of her because she is my student.
Wow.
Thank you.
Amazing, amazing.
Thank you, madam.
I'll miss one person. મેં શોધ્યા પણ હતા નહીં, હવે આવી ગયા છે. હાર્દિકભાઈ ચંદારાના. હાર્દિકભાઈ, he is the owner of RX Events, and give him a big round of applause for his support continuously. He was observing each and every which is happening around the conference, and he was taking care of કે ક્યાંય પણ કાંઈ મિસ થતું હોય તો he is there to give some suggestions and complete it fully. હા, associate life member બનાવી દઈએ તમે અમને IAP.
And before I just result this lucky draw, I just inviting the one side out of Gujarat faculty come the now the Jaipur host Dr. Swati Ghate, madam. What is the take home message of yours from today's or this 3 days conference?
3 days conference.
Because you have to do this thing in the next year.
Next year. I can
thank you so much.
I can feel your feeling because I had the same feeling last year
Yes.
when we got the Adolescon 2025.
Yes, thanks to all the organizers, team, CAHA and Sushma Ben and the local team. It was really an amazing experience and such a starry experience with all the great academics and great hospitality, great food and great enjoyment and so much of a camaraderie. It was really a lifetime memory. And as you have rightly said, we are like very apprehensive how we can keep these standards. But I assure you that we will take care of the scientific things by priority, and rest of the things, the ambience and all, you know that what we have already displayed, and hope we can make you happy next year. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you for entrusting
thank
us.
you.
Thank you so much. Thank
Just
you.
I
everyone.
conclude,
Thank
I
you,
think
madam.
Dr. Swati Bhai, madam, want to speak few things related to this and then for the future conferences. Madam, आपके लिए भी काम का है.
Yeah. I just want to say something which is going to make me very unpopular in a large number of male IAP members, but I still have to say that. This was one conference I remember when way back in 1996 when Shashivani and I were Honorary General Secretary and Ahmedabad mein Pedicon hua tha. She was the General Secretary, Organizing Secretary, and we had no alcohol. And we saw to it that nobody had it, so we both were very, very unpopular. कहाँ से दो ladies आके हमारा पूरा माहौल खराब कर दिया. But today, this conference has again shown us that the mindset which we have developed, that we cannot enjoy anything without alcohol, and we are trying, we are all adults and experts. We keep preaching in schools and colleges, say no to alcohol, don't drink, and we all are indulging in alcohol. And this is the non-role modeling we are doing. So as a founder chapter, I just a request, if all can I please, let us make AdultsCon a conference with a difference. Let us say that at least for our adolescent conferences, let us not have alcohol, because we have to practice what we preach. And I'm not bothered about the rest of the IAP or the rest of the chapters. I'm not here to preach. But AdultsCon is our role modeling for adolescents and children. And if in the Silver Jubilee in Ahmedabad, we could do everything we enjoyed, Garba, we enjoyed everything thoroughly without a drop of alcohol. Let's make that the beginning for adolescent chapter and stop alcohol for our conference.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Yeah.
Dr. Daruwala.
That is the unique features of this conference, because this is not only lectures, only conference. We having a debate also, quiz also, Yuva voice also, everything what we are expecting as a learning lessons sessions we have. And now it's time to speak for me, but I am sacrificing my speech to avoid the timely completion of this thing. So I am not speaking anything except the two persons to whom I have to appreciate, and that is the Dr. Nischal Bhatt and Dr. Sushma Desai, along with our own chairperson, Dr. Hima Bindu Singh, to whom, because of them only, we are able to complete this scientific, foolproof things. 3 cheers for them. Thank you.
I cannot stop without talking about Samir. You all know I have an NGO, AKI, and Samir joined me in 2019 as a national coordinator. And we all know his meticulousness, his organization and planning. उसने पूरा नक्शा बदल दिया AKI का, along with Sandeep and Prashant. So I have two Gujaratis who have changed my AKI into a thing to reckon with. So I'm very grateful to Gujarat and Samir and Prashant.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. Now it's time to announce the winner of the lucky draw. We had directly completed that screening, and that first, second, third, fourth, there is no numbering, but first name is Neha Jobanputra.
Yay!
Second name is Harshil Shah.
Yay!
હજુ તો બીજા નામ સાંભળ. Third name is Bhupendra Kapadia.
બધા આઈ જાઓ, બધા આઈ જાઓ.
And fourth name is Vishal Dedania.
Yay!
પાંચમું નામ નથી બોલતો, સિક્રેટ રાખું છું. જીગન શાહ આઈ જાવ બેટું. ફરી એ નીકળ્યું.
How many Samir Shah?
Two people.
Cheating.
Cheating. ચાલો.
चेतन त्रिवेदी. भाई अभी हितेश बताओ. आई जा भाई.
हितेश.
આઈ જા, ચાલો 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 ઓલ વડોદરામાં એક અમદાવાદી છે આપણા.
ચેતનભાઈ. એક
सिग्नेचर करानी होती है. मुझे तो दुख होगा नहीं.
બધા ઉપર આવી જાઓ, આપણે એક ગ્રુપ ફોટો લઈ લઈએ સરસ મજાનો. આવી જાઓ બધા ઉપર. બટ બિફોર વી એન્ડ
એક જસ્ટ ઉપર તું ઉપર આવી ગયા, તમે આવી ગયા. ચાલો. યસ, બધા આવી જાઓ બાકીના.
before we end, I would like to thank my wife Neha and my son Siddharth for their support, for giving me a lot of time. And I was very happy that my son Siddharth could participate in all 3 days conference. Thank you so much.
સાહેબ સક્સેસ પાર્ટીની વાત કરે છે બધાએ.
એમાં દારૂ પીવડાવો.